Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, you have heard me right. Today's video is somewhat unique design collections. That is, in our today's video, you are going to get crazy, stylish, amazing, and trendy ideas relevant to hand embroidered bottoms, hand embroidered trousers, hand embroidered denim pants, jeans, or any type of capri, plazo, or bottom. That could be paired along with a very beautiful combination of the top. So before going into the further details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I have one more request that if you already have subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of other devices because subscribers are very important. Guys, different type of fabrics could be used for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. You can use denim, you can use your already in use plain colored trousers and make these embroidery patterns onto them to renew them to create a very beautiful new and classic combo of the new creativity. As you know that winters are in the full swing, then you can pair up these very beautiful hand embroidered bottoms, trousers, plazos with your handmade or knitted warm woolen tops, cardigans, and sweatshirts as well. So I hope that you have liked the ideas and design patterns of our today's collection. If you really like them, do comment in the comment section that which design you like the most. And the beauty and creativity of these design patterns is that they are bi-dimensional. You can equally use these patterns of hand embroidery for machine embroidery also. Thank you so much for watching.